Hello, I'm Peter from Noble Beverages, and today we're going to teach you how to utilize your cleaning kit. Now that we have unpacked our cleaning kit, we can see that we have beer line cleaning solution, which we can use to clean our faucets. Here we have a faucet wrench we can use to add or take off faucets. You can also use this to tighten or loosen the shank on the inside of our tap tower. Here we have stoppers, which we can use on the tips of our faucets to stop the drip from coming out. We also have small wire brushes and longer wire brushes to help clean our faucets. To clean our faucets, we'll start with a cup of warm or hot water and our beer line cleaning solution. So you'll take some of this, dump it into our warm water. From there we can mix with our long wire brush or short wire brush, mixing the solution. From there we'll take our short wire brush and we can clean the inside of our faucet tips. So we'll come here to the cold brew faucet, scrubbing in and out, clearing out any coffee or tea residue. From there we'll move on to our flow control faucet, doing the same. With this faucet here, our inner tap nitro faucet, which you can see if you pour nitro cold brew coffee or nitro tea. We clean this one a little bit differently. So we can take this tip, unscrew it. After unscrewing it, you can see that there is a grommet and a metal aerating disc. From there, we can take those out with our long wire brush by poking it through. Now, once we have removed those pieces, from there, we can see that there are three pieces inside of that faucet tip, which is our aerating disc, our faucet grommet, and our plastic torpedo. From there, these can be cleaned by letting them soak overnight in that same beer line cleaning solution. To clean out your faucet tip, I like to use the long wire brush to get inside of it, scrubbing it, all the same you would do with your other faucet tips. After that, you can also take it and let it soak overnight. Now, we recommend that we clean our faucets on a daily basis. It is very common to do it during your closing routines. And we also recommend that you clean your faucets after you've done your beverage line cleaning.